Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will also show you how you can easily check your call history in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments after watching and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. So friends, let's get started. And please open up Instagram on your device. And then you'll need to click on this sign at the top right to go to your posts. And now friends, if you would like to check your call history, let's say with a particular person, then you're gonna have to go to the conversation with that person. And that's where you'll be able to find the latest video as well as audio calls. Unfortunately friends, this is the only way to check and find out your video and audio call history with a particular user on Instagram. Because unfortunately, for some reason, there is no feature in Instagram that allows you to view the entire call history with a particular person or the entire call history of whoever you've called on Instagram. So the only way to check that call history is to go to a specific person and just, let's say, flip through and look for video and audio calls to see when they happened. So that's the way you can check your Instagram call history. I hope you found this video useful, friends. Please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write comments and put your likes under this video. Take care, friends.